Okay, good morning to our lecturers. Thank you very much for taking the time to attend our presentation today. Today we will present the result of our project-based learning that we have completed. In this presentation, we will explain about ekowisata mangrove Padang Tak Jemu. Okay, next, my name is Aisyah Meliani and I am moderator with student ID number 009 and I will be introducing the team members. These are my team members. Afrizah Nur Aisyah as the leader with student ID number 029, Bintang with student ID number 003, Putri Kirrey with student ID number and Vera Anita Dewi with student ID number 012. Okay, this project is about improving the digital promotion of Kampung Tua Bakau Serip. We use digital branding to make the village more famous as a sustainable tourism destination. And our main goals are to support the environment, provide education, and help the local community grow through digital campaigns. And for our project details, we use a qualitative method by doing interviews and field observation. Our timeless has four main steps. First, we started with planning in week 1. Then in week 2, we did an analysis through field surveys and brainstorming. In week 3 and 4, we moved to the design phase to create content and brand guidelines. And finally, in weeks 5 to 14, we focus on implementation, which includes making social media content, logos, and reports. That's all for me. The next material will be presented by my teams.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. My name is Vera Anita Dewi with student ID number 012. I will present the project output and team contribution of our project-based learning. Our output focus on digital branding and social media promotion, especially on TikTok. The first output is an official TikTok account with consistent video content. The next output is brand guidelines as a reference for visual identity and brand communication. The third output is standard operating procedure for managing TikTok content. Next, a content calendar for planning TikTok posts. We also meant to evaluate the digital campaign. Another output is a future workspace as a collaborative work model that can be used sustainable by the partner. The last output are the PBL report and a scientific poster as our academic output. From the output, the partner not only retrieve promotional content, but also clear system and guidelines that can be used continuously after the PBL programs end. The next slide, moderator. Okay, next I will explain the contribution of each team member in this project-based learning. First, Afrizah Nur Aisyah, as the head of the group, was responsible for overall coordination. Next, Aisyah Putri Meliani handled the digital marketing course. Then I'm Vera Anita Dewi, responsible for the customer relationship management course. After that, Putri Kirrey handled the organizational dynamic course. Lastly, Bintang handled the business correspondence course. These roles show our responsibilities and all tasks we are completed together as a team to achieve the best result. That's all from me. The next presentation will be continued by my team. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. My name is Putri Kirrey with student ID number 004, and I will be presenting the backlog task and weekly leak book section. Okay, on this slide, we present the backlog tasks, which are the main tasks that we plan and carry out during the PBL project. All of the tasks here have been complete as indicated by the check marks on each point. This backlog helps us divide the work clearly and ensure that every stage of the project runs according to the plan. So, from this backlog text, we can see that our workflow started from planning, continued to production, and ended with evaluation and reporting, and everything was done in a structured way. Next. Okay. On this slide, we present the weekly logbook, which contains a summary of our group activities from week 1 until week 14. We use this logbook to record our team's weekly progress and as a form of monitoring the activities that have been carried out. Through this weekly logbook, we can see that our activities were carried out step by step, starting from planning and implementation until the evaluation and completion of the project. That is all for my part of the presentation. The next material will be presented by my teammate. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. I'm Afrizah with the student ID number is 029. Okay, I would like to explain about the obstacle and solution during this project. So during the implementation of this project, our team faced several diverse obstacles, both technical and operational in the field. The first challenge was geographical. The partner location was difficult to access, which limited visit time and team mobility. This was addressed by dividing the team into smaller groups for rotating visit and maintaining coordination through online communication. Okay, the second challenge involves equipment limitation that do not fully support digital content production. To overcome this, the team optimized the available equipment and adjusted content production based on its capacity. Another challenge was limited access to field and visitor data. This was resolved through direct observation and continuous coordination with the project partner. From this challenge, we learned to be more flexible, improve our teamwork, and adjust our strategies based on the real condition. Okay, next, we will move on to discuss the courses involved in this project. This project integrates several courses. Business correspondence supports to professional communication and documentation. Customer relationship management focus on visitor data analysis to support marketing strategies. Organizational dynamics contributes to team management and coordination. Meanwhile, digital marketing plays a central role in campaign planning, content creation, and content distribution, particularly through TikTok. With the integration of these courses, the project was implemented effectively and provided practical field-based learning experience. For the next part, the learning outcomes will be presented by teammates. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. My name is Bintang and my ID is 003. Now I will tell you what we learned from this project. First, project planning. We learn how to plan project from start to finish. Second, communication. We learn how to talk and work better with our partners. Third, social media. We learn how to make a good content and role for branding. Fourth, fixing problems. We learn how to find fast solution when we have a problem. And fifth, teamwork. We learn how to work together as a good team. Okay, next slide, moderator. All right, for the conclusion of our project. First, our project is really help the partners to make their brand better. Second, the TikTok video was were successful. Many people saw the content. Three, we give our partner important files like a content plan and social media roles. Four, this project helps the community to promote their business by themselves in the future. Okay, that's all for me. I'll hand back to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, that is all from Group 2. We now open a Q&A session. To our lecturers, we would like to invite you to give any question or feedback. The floor is yours. We hope the information we shared gave you a clear understanding of our work, efforts, and directions. And thank you for your attention. Good morning.